So our first speaker for today is Dorin HARPAZ, Nanyang Technological University, Singapore, breaking the wall of diagnostics delays.
I'm sure that all of you here suffered from at least one of these medical conditions. And I'm also sure that you all ran to the physician to find a solution to your problem. But sometimes a diagnosis of a medical condition is not very straightforward. Diagnostics is obtaining evidence in order to make a clinical decision, such as identifying a disease. This evidence is usually based on symptoms, and physicians use sophisticated technology in order to observe these symptoms. But is it too late? What if we were looking at the wrong evidence this whole time? Instead of looking outside the body for symptoms, we should be looking for biomarkers inside the body before symptoms are even shown. Biomarkers are small molecules, usually proteins. They can be found in the blood, urine, saliva, and they can be found in different amounts in different medical conditions. For a protein to be defined as a biomarker, it needs to answer the three big S. It needs to be selective to a medical condition, such as stroke or diabetes. It needs to be specific to an organ, such as our brain, our heart, our lungs. And it needs to be sensitive in its detection limit, meaning we need to be able to measure it. But the real challenge is to actually understand our biomarkers code. In order to do that, we looked into stroke. We measured 30 different proteins in 600 samples of patients, and we were able to compete with a conventional diagnostic method that is actually based on a CT or an MRI scan and takes 3 hours to complete in order to allow the administration of life-saving drug. Based on our biomarker code detection, we were able to identify 3 specific biomarkers: antiprotein P, S100 beta, and cortisol. And in only 15 minutes, we were able to reach to 90% diagnostic accuracy of the test. In stroke, time is of utmost importance because with every minute of delay, 2 million neurons die in the patient's brain, which cause irreversible damage to his brain. Half of the stroke patients will die. And this is caused mostly due to diagnostic delay, which denies the administration of life-saving treatment. So, in order to break the wall of diagnostic delay, should we all start to learn our biomarkers code? Thank you.
Questions, please.
Question? Yes?
Yes, what's so special about the three proteins or 3 biomarkers that you?
Yes, very good question. Actually, these 3 biomarkers were found to be highly specific, highly sensitive, and highly selective based on what I just showed here. So these 3 parameters, and they were able to reach to 90% diagnostic accuracy of the condition we were trying to classify, based on only proteins in the blood of the patient, instead of spending 3 hours looking at the brain of the patient.
So the key is...
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Dorin HARPAZ.